Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am discussing the scales of temperature. As you know, there are different scales of temperature. Mainly they are known as one centigrade scale denoted by degree centigrade, Fahrenheit scale degree F, Roman scale is denoted by degree Roman, absolute scale or Kelvin scale denoted by K. The first three scales of temperature are related by the formula C by 5 equals F minus 32 by 9 equals R by 4. C means temperature in centigrade scale, F means temperature in Fahrenheit scale, R means temperature in Roman scale. Suppose we are wanted to convert 100 degree centigrade into degree Fahrenheit. Then we use the first two terms. C by 5 equals F minus 32 by 9. Then 100 degree centigrade is to be converted. So 100 by 5 equals F minus 32 by 9. 100 by 5 equals 20. 20 equals F minus 32 by 9. So F equals cross multiply 9 into 20 equals 180. 180 equals F minus 32. That means F equals 180 plus 32 equals 212. That means 100 degree centigrade equals 212 degree Fahrenheit. Again, suppose we wanted to convert 100 degree centigrade into degree Roman. Then we use the first term and the last term R by 4. 100 convert use 100 here. 100 by 5 equals R by 4. Then cross multiply, we get 5R equals 4 into 100, 400. So R equals 400 divided by 5, which is 80. That means 100 degree centigrade equals 80 degree Roman. Again, so we get C by 100 degree centigrade equals 212 degree Fahrenheit equals 80 degree Roman. This is the result we get. Again, suppose we wanted to convert into absolute scale. Just we add 273, which is centigrade scale. So absolute scale, Kelvin scale is equal to 273 plus or degree centigrade scale plus 273. For that, suppose 200 degree centigrade is when 100 degree centigrade is converted to degree Roman, we get 100, substitute 100 here plus 273. Then you get 373. That equals, so 100 degree centigrade equals 100 degree centigrade equals to 373 degree Kelvin. That's all about the different scale of temperature. Thank you.